Simcoe, second opportunity, let's go. Hey, green poker vice. Green poker vice. Ram, H slow, gold dog. Ram, H slow, gold dog. On your team. Let's go.
My bad, Joe.
You good, you good. Hey, roll six. On me, roll six. Green Bama. Hey, let's go, come on. Hey, come on, hey, hold your ground. Hey, six. Let's go.
Delshawn Traylor on the quarterback.
We good?
Going Panther. Block everything down and let's go.
Hey, let's go. Cinco. Hey, ice it. Stack 44. Stack 44. Mabel. Heck no. Yeah, get out there.
Good for the Highlanders here.
I saw it, I was like, it looks like, because there was like a linebacker moved up. I thought he would go straight to the bubble. Go! Wow, let's go! Defense, let's go! Woo! Hit his ass, Jeremiah! Stack three. Hey, rip. Box drill. Let's go! Cam, let's go! Stack three. Liz. Mabel. Let's go. All right, I'm down. We good?
Strong left over flop. H up. Yellow gainer.
Let's go. That's a passing touchdown, Coach. Yes, sir. Passing touchdown.
That was you?
I tossed it to.
Hey, mark your calendars.
It's a passing touchdown. Forward, it's a passing touchdown.
You finally got a passing touchdown?
Yes.
Oh my God, first. You got the first in your career?
No. No, I got like 5 in my career. What's up, baby?
Hey, right here. Smile for me right here, you know what I'm saying? Hey, follow me on Twitter, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, down in distance, fellas. Hey, we're on this side. Attaboy lane! Good kick! Hey, stack two. Bronco. Soft silver, Andre. Scream! Good tackle, Jeremiah! Good play! You're not a DN anymore. Ease up. Ooh, get it, baby. Hey, let's go. Hey, defense, let's go. Yo, snap out of it, bro. Let's go. Nickel. Hey, try not to everybody being crazy out here. We're good. Just cover down. You see them hips moves, coach? Look at Jeremiah. Strong left over flop. 8 up, gold gator. Hey, linebackers, let's get a play, baby. Yeah, hey, y'all do y'all thing. Stop 44. Hey, trap. Liz. They're gonna try and run that spot. Yeah.
Don't give up too much ground in the back.
I got you.
So when we do that, worry about more like a drop. Be hesitant on the run because me and who got the inside run.
That's what I'm saying. You can get up easier than you can go back. Hey, make a play. Nickel. Get out. Backside roll 6, cover 3. You're mid-pointing. Mid-pointing. If you're on strong side, cover 2. Brown, bozo, uno. Brown, brown, brown. Good job, good job. Let's go. Ah, let's go, let's go. Good job. Way to be a beast, baby. Love you, dog. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Coach, what do you want to do in empty? And we're in red. Let's go. Great, okay. Might do that jet sweep, too.
Yeah, but watch the flow. That's my favorite. 33.
Be aggressive on jet sweep. Yes, sir.
Soaking on the play, 2nd and 10.
Ah, home sweet home. Hey, yee. Way to finish, way to finish. Good job. Good job, baby. I'll let you, dog. Good punt.
Thank you.
You're doing your thing. Keep coaching them up, coach. You're doing your thing. Love you, boy.
Love you too, man. You gonna tell me you love me?
Love you, boy.
Hey, stop that.
Oh, man.
How you feel?
Tired. I'm good, though.